Yo, what up guys, this is LordHighTheDadz from the DadzLife YouTube channel, and today this is our all new series, DadzLife Unboxing. So guys, the real premise of today is I reached out to a few companies. One of them that reached back was LamoodBigHats. LamoodBigHats is a company that specializes in high quality hats for people with a larger head or for people with unique hairstyles like myself. With the larger locks, it's very hard for me to find hats that fit properly. So they have fixed the problem of, ill-fitting hats. So guys, look out for it. We're coming with the unboxing right now. They sent me 2 of their hats for me to unbox, and that's what we're doing today. Big up LamoodBigHats for reaching out back, blessing up the kid with 2 new hats, and giving me high quality products to do my review. So we're collaborating today with LamoodBigHats. So it's DadzLife and LamoodBigHats. We're doing it big. Big up LamoodBigHats for blessing up the kid, making sure that we collaborate, and hopefully we can collaborate again real soon. Alright, so we're here today to look at the caps. So they sent me 2 new caps, brand new, you don't know, setting up the kid real nice. Both caps are blue. One has a star design on the front, the other has a graffiti, I would say like a camouflage pattern. So these are the 2 hats. We'll also be wearing them and showing you them with outfits later on in the video, but these are the 2 hats. Yeah guys, so this is me outside actually wearing the hat. This is the blue and white one, the blue one with the stars on the front. So it's actually fitted perfect. Even with the big locks, it's fitted perfect. It doesn't feel shallow like a lot of the other caps that I usually wear, and it is actually perfect to the head, and I can actually lift it up and you see that it's deep to the head and it is not shallow. So if you look on it, this is the review. I think it works perfectly, especially with the big locks, and it's fitted to the head. So I came outside so you can get a better view of it and how it is fitted to the head. And you don't know, it's very versatile. It can be worn with many different outfits. I work with the white tee today, and I think it's going to be one of the go-to hats after this in terms of how it is fitted to the head. A lot of them was looking like it was just on the top of my head and not really fitted to the head, so it works out pretty good. Alright guys, so this is the blue and white one. I made sure that you get to see it really being worn. And you don't know, I want to big up LamoodBigHats for giving me the opportunity to unbox these hats, and I think it's a good look. I'll be making sure to purchase a different one just to support them in a different time. So you don't know, you can look out for that as well. Alright, so this is the blue and white one. You don't know, respect, Hey guys, so this is the other hat, the blue with the camouflage graphics in it, and this is how it's fitted to this. This is how this one is fitted to the head, and I think it's a good look. LamoodBigHats actually specialize in the bigger size hats, and they said to me that it would be probably a good idea for me to unbox some, because I was explaining to them that a lot of the hats aren't fitted to my head and they couldn't fit me anymore. So I said to them that maybe it's a good idea for us to work together and collaborate, and I did this unboxing, and I think I'm really pleased with the hat. These hats are not as shallow as the normal hats. They're built to maybe fit the bigger size head, so especially with the locks, I wasn't getting hats that fitted to my head anymore. So these fit perfectly and I'm working with it. I like it. I think this one is more versatile with the blue shirt. So it's up the blue Armani shirt, and you don't know. So respect due to LamoodBigHats. They actually came through for me, made sure I got a nice fit, and it's a good look. I'll be definitely trying to collaborate with them again. So big up to them, you know what I mean? Respect. Yeah guys, so that has been the review for LamoodBigHats. And I want to not only big them up, but I want to actually thank them for giving me a chance to collaborate with them with this unboxing and review. I want to thank them for reaching out to me as well, in terms of I reached out to them and they actually reached out back immediately, saying to me, say, you know, they have a product actually that they want me to unbox, and they think it would be perfect for me because maybe the bigger size locks would actually be a problem with the normal size cap. They make caps specifically deeper, not shallow, for the larger size head, and for people who have like certain type of hair, like the dreadlocks. The dreadlocks has been making me not be able to wear certain caps because they're always just looking like they're on the top of my head. They can't fit to the sides, they can't be over the locks overall, and Lamood actually fixed that for me. So I want to big them up, LamoodBigHats. I want to big them up, bless them up, and thank them specially for giving me the opportunity. We're blessed, we're humbled by them. This is one of the first unboxing we'll be doing in a series of unboxing, and I wanted them to be the first. LamoodBigHats, big them up every time. Go and check out the website. They have a lot of different hats, a lot of different styles, a lot of different products over there. Go and check them out. Bless up LamoodBigHats. And this is the first in a series of DadzLife reviews. Alright? And unboxing. Bless up.